Look at this mess.
Oh,
Happy Halloween! We're unboxing all our decorations today. I just love seeing their faces when we haven't seen this stuff for a year, and it's just so fun and exciting. So that's what we're doing. Okay, don't go close them yet until I get them all up here. I'm gonna set it on the ground. And our pictures. Oh yeah, which one should we open first?
This one. Yeah, this one.
This one? This one's awesome.
Good.
Countdown to Halloween.
Zoe! Oh. Skeleton here. Skeleton.
Stand back. Okay, go show them the other skeleton.
What's...
Okay. Look. Twin skeletons and twin boys.
Looky! Oh, this is from Walmart.
Walmart.
It's a
Halloween tree.
Yeah.
Haunted house.
To a decorated one.
Yeah, we can
This
do
one
it.
up there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go show the camera that one. I put that in their bedroom for all their... Stand back so they can see your face. Okay, Target always has the cutest signs every year. Go show them that one.
A top. Mom,
Cutest
this is kind
little
of top.
signs
Mom, now I know what
from
these are
Target
called.
every year.
Mom, now I know what. Get the skeleton! The ghost pillow!
Oh, we already have a ghost pillow? Dang it. This is why you look through your stuff before you keep buying new stuff. I love this guy. He's so funny. Don't remember where I got this, but it's like wooden. It says trick or treat. I put it on their library shelves. This one. We love our cats. Oh, I got this last year. Remember, you guys kept playing with it and it broke the tooth off. I had to fix the tooth, but you can't tell. So cute. I think that's all of it. Now we just have to decorate the house.
It's decorated right now.
This is from Walmart dollar section.
Oh,
So
that's so cute.
I go to Walmart, Target, Home Goods, and
Mom,
At Home.
Guess
for
what we
decorations.
decorated? Try to guess what we decorated.
Yeah. You put ornaments on the house? We got the Costco Disney Haunted Halloween online, like last week. Everything has been sold out, and my friend texted me and said, it's online! So I hurried and got it, and we're gonna just unbox it today. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's, whoa.
Oh my gosh! Oh
So that we can reuse it.
Look at there! Look over there! Oh, this is awesome! Oh my gosh! Oh my! On the tree! Okay, get out there! Get out there! Get out this! Let me get out this!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Be careful.
Haunted! 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 So haunted!
Okay.
You think you can do it, Mom?
I think I can do it.
Okay, putting some. Oh, spoiler!
Where?
This is awesome, dude. Yeah.
I set all the little guys around it.
So they go through the gate. Now the haunted things.
Did you turn it on?
Yeah.
Do we need to put batteries?
Yeah. You need 3? Those are my Winky.
Countdown 3, 2,